StreamLadder just got a major upgrade, which is perfect for streamers creating long-form content, like YouTube stream highlights, Twitch channel trailers, or horizontal clips for your socials. No more losing important parts of your stream to cropping, and believe me when I say it's the easiest way to edit your clips with the tools you already know and love. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. As per usual, we're starting from the dashboard. Click on Create Horizontal Video and either paste the URL or select your clip directly from Twitch. As you can see, there are two options for layouts, set to full screen by default. I think we'll go with this one. The great thing about this tool, in my opinion, is that the editor feels very straightforward and intuitive. It's even easier if you've used StreamLadder's vertical clip editor before, since both have the same familiar features. Okay, moving to the elements. Here I'll add a social sticker or two, and instead of adding a title myself, I will use the AI hook feature that will generate a title for me. Now that we're in the Effects tab, let's also make use of the Special Effect feature. Perfect. There's so much more to try, but today we'll concentrate on the basics and add captions to our clip. I'll go for this style and enable animated emojis. Alright, seems complete to me. Let's go ahead and export it. You can choose to either post it directly to the social of your choice or download the clip. That's what I'm gonna do. And here's the result.
Buttons. Oh, you're here. Can you start a prediction? Beth wants a prediction if I survive or not for the round. There you go, Beth. I got you. You're honored? Hell yeah, dude. You deserve it. You're like that. Bro, that's not... Bro! The prediction... Guys, I'm already dead! That's rigged! That's so rigged!
Thanks for checking out this tutorial. Let us know in the comments what you're using Horizontal Clip Editor for first. Happy editing and see you in the next one.